guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and today I have a unboxing for you. So of course, you know, with Black Friday, Cyber Monday, I had to support some Etsy shops. I did go ahead and order from Caffeine and Budgets again because I just love the way that her envelopes look. So I like to match. I have to have matching envelopes. So I did order some more. Okay, let's pull all of these out. Okay. Again, a cute little card. Oh, I love that. Okay. Ooh. That looks like a little freebie for cash stuffing. I like that. Another small little envelope here. That's another freebie. Oh, look at that. A 52-week challenge one. Oh, that's really cool. I like that. Ooh, I might have to use that next year. I like that a lot. Thank you so much for that. All right, on to my new envelopes. Let's see, we'll move some of those up there. All right, so I've got a $1 challenge envelope, and I know I've talked about this before on my channel. I am a server, so I do get a lot of $1 bills. So I'm not going to do this the way most people do, especially because too I put everything that onto my credit card and then pay it off. So what I'm gonna do, it's gonna be kind of similar to what I hope I don't pronounce her name wrong. Yurli over on, she has Cash and Plans on YouTube. She does where she stuffs all the $1 bills. So what I'm gonna do is every week, all the $1 bills, I'm going to stuff in here and see where that gets me. I'm gonna move that to the side. I've got another one for just savings challenge. I have a savings challenge coming up here towards the end of December. My winter solstice running savings challenge. So I'm going to use that for that. And then when I go along, whichever savings challenges that I decide to do, I'm going to use this envelope for that. I got one for YouTube. As my channel's growing, I'm probably going to want to start doing some giveaways here soon. So I'll need to set money aside for that. I did get one for taxes. Of course, you know, if my YouTube channel does grow, I'll use it for that. But also as a server, I do tend to owe money every year. So I really do need to start putting money away for that as well. So I got one for taxes. Subscriptions. How did I miss this one before? I just had my Disney Plus come out and I totally forgot that it was coming out. So I was like, I need an envelope for all my subscriptions because I totaled it all up. I have so many subscriptions. I need to figure out what is going on there. So that's for that. Electronics. I do want to get a new laptop to help with editing and stuff because right now I've just been doing it all on my phone and my phone does not have enough memory. So I do want to start saving up for a laptop and then after that, possibly a new phone. Car mods. This one is for my husband. As I've said before in my videos, he does race his car and he will be getting a new one here soon. But I want to start setting aside some money for him to do whatever modifications for his new car. There's that. And then retirement, because my husband does put money away in his 401k from every paycheck, but I want to start putting away and maybe start my own 401k or some other like Roth IRA savings account for us as well. And that will be it for today. I'm so excited. I don't know when I'm going to start implementing these. Maybe this month. Some might not start till the beginning of the new year, but I'm excited. They're so cute and like, can you see like all of the little confetti in there? It's super cute. But thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this extra little video for the week. And next weekend, I will have the setting up of my bullet journal for that new savings challenge that I have starting. So look out for that next weekend. But I'll see you on Monday for our usual cash unstuffing for the week. Bye.